Welcome to Eden Nature Park and Resort, a tranquil and breathtaking paradise nestled in the lush highlands of Davao City, Philippines. Surrounded by verdant forests, stunning mountain ranges, and picturesque gardens, this idyllic retreat offers a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. As you step foot into our serene sanctuary, you'll be greeted with fresh mountain air, melodious birdsong, and an array of fascinating flora and fauna. Whether you're seeking relaxation, adventure, or a blend of both, Eden Nature Park and Resort has something to offer everyone. So come and experience the beauty of nature at its finest. And let us take you on a journey of pure bliss and harmony with the environment. More than just a resort, Eden Nature Park and Resort is a true ecological haven that aims to promote sustainable tourism and environmental conservation. Eden Nature Park and Resort is a popular tourist destination located in Davao City, Philippines. The resort is situated on a vast 80-hectare property that boasts of lush greenery, picturesque landscapes, and a breathtaking view of the city. The resort offers a unique experience of being one with nature, with its various outdoor activities and attractions that cater to families, friends, Eden Nature Park and Resort is known for its cool climate, which is perfect for a refreshing getaway from the city's heat and pollution. This place is not only famous for its serene and natural surroundings but also for its organic farm, where guests can learn about organic farming methods and sample fresh produce. With its unparalleled beauty and offerings, Eden Nature Park and Resort in Davao City is an excellent destination for those who are seeking a peaceful retreat and an escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. Aside from its beautiful natural surroundings, Eden Nature Park and Resort also offers a wide range of activities and attractions that cater to guests of all ages. The resort also has an organic farm, which is a must-visit for those who are interested in sustainable farming and ecotourism. The farm is home to various crops such as lettuce, strawberries, and herbs, which are grown using organic farming methods. Guests can also participate in farm tours, learn about the different farming techniques, and even harvest their own crops. Nature Park and Resort in Davao City, Philippines, is also an ideal venue for various events and celebrations. To travel in Eden Nature Park and Resort in Davao City, you can follow these steps. Book your accommodations. You can book your stay at Eden Nature Park and Resort through their website or by calling their reservations office. There are several types of accommodations available, including cabins, villas, and lodges. Plan your transportation. The resort is located about an hour's drive from Davao City. You can either rent a car or hire a taxi to get there. Alternatively, you can join a guided tour that includes transportation to and from the resort. Check-in. Upon arrival at the resort, head to the reception area to check in. You will be given a map of the resort and other useful information. Explore the resort. Eden Nature Park and Resort is a large property with several attractions, including a butterfly garden, a birdwalk, a fishing village, and several hiking trails. You can explore the resort on foot or rent a bicycle or a golf cart to get around. Participate in activities. The resort offers several activities, including horseback riding, zip lining, and archery. You can book these activities at the Activity Center. Eden Nature Park and Resort is located in the foothills of Mount Talomo in Davao City, Philippines. The resort is situated at an elevation of 3,000 feet above sea level. The park and resort spans over 80 hectares of lush greenery and is home to various flora and fauna. Eden Nature Park and Resort was opened to the public in 1995, and since then, it has become one of the top tourist destinations in Davao City. The resort's natural surroundings provide a picturesque backdrop for photo shoots, making it a popular destination for prenuptial shoots, family portraits, and other special occasions. Eden Nature Park and Resort also advocates for environmental sustainability and supports various initiatives that aim to protect and preserve the environment. The resort has implemented various eco-friendly practices, such as waste segregation, composting, and the use of renewable energy. The resort also supports the local community by providing employment opportunities and promoting local products. In conclusion, Eden Nature Park and Resort in Davao City, Philippines, is a must-visit destination for those who want to experience the beauty of nature and the warmth of Filipino hospitality. The resort also has several dining options, including a restaurant that serves local and international cuisine, a coffee shop, and a bar. The resort has several function rooms that can accommodate different types of events, such as weddings, conferences, and team-building activities. Dining options. The resort has several dining options, including the Garden Restaurant. This is the main restaurant that serves buffet-style meals with a wide variety of dishes. Vista Restaurant. This restaurant offers panoramic views of the resort and serves a la carte meals. Burger Grill. This is a casual restaurant that serves burgers, sandwiches, and other quick bites. Cafe Vista is a restaurant located within the Eden Nature Park and Resort in Davao City, Philippines. The restaurant is situated on a hill overlooking the resort and offers panoramic views of the surrounding forest and hills. The restaurant serves a variety of Filipino and international dishes, including pasta, pizza, sandwiches, and grilled dishes. They also offer a selection of drinks, including coffee, tea, and juices. Fisherman's Grill is one of the dining options at Eden Nature Park and Resort in Davao City, Philippines. It is a seafood restaurant that offers a variety of fresh seafood dishes cooked in different styles. The restaurant's specialty is the Paluto concept, where guests can choose their preferred seafood from the catch of the day and have it cooked to their liking. Guests can choose from various seafood options, such as fish, shrimps, squid, and crabs, and have them grilled, steamed, or cooked in different sauces. Activities and attractions. In addition to the activities mentioned above, Eden Nature Park and Resort also offers the following: Skyrider, a zipline ride that takes visitors over the lush forest canopy; Sky Swing, a giant swing that offers a thrilling ride with panoramic views of the resort. Skyrider is one of the adventure attractions at Eden Nature Park and Resort in Davao City, Philippines. It is a zipline ride that allows guests to glide above the treetops and enjoy a panoramic view of the resort's lush greenery. The ride starts from a platform located on top of a hill, which is accessible via a short trek or a shuttle ride. Guests are then secured in a harness and helmet and launched into the air, gliding across to zipline cables that are 200 meters and 110 meters long, respectively. The ride lasts for about a minute, and guests can reach speeds of up to 60 kilometers per hour. Skyrider is suitable for guests of all ages and is an excellent activity for those who love adventure and adrenaline. The ride is also safe, and guests are supervised by trained guides who ensure that all safety protocols are followed. Aside from Skyrider, Eden Nature Park and Resort also offers other adventure attractions, such as the Sky Cycle, which is a bike ride that runs along a cable above the resort's fishing village, and the Indiana Jones, which is a rope course that features different obstacles and challenges. Overall, Skyrider at Eden Nature Park and Resort in Davao City, Philippines, provides guests with a thrilling and unforgettable adventure that allows them to experience the beauty of nature from a different perspective. The Skyrider is suitable for all ages and is a thrilling activity that can be enjoyed alone or with a group of friends or family. It is open daily from 8 o'clock a.m. to 5 p.m., and the ride itself lasts approximately 1 minute. Cost. The cost of Skyrider varies, depending on whether visitors are staying overnight in the park or just visiting for the day. For day visitors, the cost is around PHP 200 approximately for United States dollars per person, while overnight guests can avail of discounted rates. Weight limit. There is a weight limit of 120 kilogram, 264 pounds for riders, and visitors who exceed this limit may not be allowed to ride the zipline for safety reasons. Weather conditions: the Skyrider attraction may be closed during inclement weather conditions, such as heavy rain or strong winds, for safety reasons. Other activities: Eden Nature Park offers a wide range of other activities and attractions for visitors to enjoy, such as hiking trails, butterfly garden, fishing village, and horseback riding. Accessibility: the Skyrider attraction is accessible to most visitors, but those with mobility issues or medical conditions should check with park staff beforehand to ensure that it is safe for them to ride the zip line. Operating hours: the park is open daily from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. and visitors are advised to arrive early to avoid the crowds and to maximize their time in the park. Restrictions: children below 7 years old and pregnant women are not allowed to ride the Skyrider for safety reasons. Photography: visitors are allowed to bring their cameras or smartphones to take photos or videos of their ride on the Skyrider. However, they are advised to secure their devices and avoid dropping them while riding. Safety measures: the Skyrider in Eden Nature Park follows strict safety protocols to ensure the well-being of all riders. These include regular equipment maintenance, thorough safety inspections, and trained personnel to oversee the zipline operation. If you enjoy this video and have anything in mind for our next travel destination, please suggest or comment down below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video if you enjoy it. Have a nice day. Get new videos every week when you subscribe to our channel.